In today's video, we are going to cover how to run transaction detail reports in QuickBooks Online. Start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard and go to Reports. This opens the reporting area where you can search for the report you want instead of scrolling through the full list. If your screen takes a moment to load, wait for the Reports page to finish updating before you continue. Once you are in Reports, use the search field to look for transaction detail by account. You can also search for another transaction detail report if that is the one you need for your records. As you type, QuickBooks will show matching report names. Select the correct report from the results to open it. Make sure you choose the report name that matches the transaction detail view you want, since there are several reports with similar wording. After the report opens, move to the customization area. Start by selecting the report period. This controls which transactions appear in the results, so set the date range that matches the time frame you need to review. Depending on the report and your version of the screen, the date selector may appear near the top of the report, before, or within the customization options. Next, apply any filters or adjustments you need. This can include narrowing the report to a specific account, transaction type, or another available detail, depending on the report you opened. If you want a broader view, leave the default settings in place. If you need a more focused result, use the customization options to shape the report before you run it. The goal here is to make sure the transactions displayed match the exact information you are looking for. When your report period and filters are set, run the report. Click Run Report if that button appears on your screen. In some cases, QuickBooks may use Refresh Report instead, especially if the report is already open and you are updating it after changing the settings. Either option will reload the report with your latest selections. Give it a moment if the report takes time to process. Once the report finishes loading, review the transaction details shown on the screen. Look through the dates, accounts, amounts, and other fields included in the report so you can confirm that the results are correct. If something does not look right, go back to the report period or filter settings and update them, then run or refresh the report again. If you need a copy outside QuickBooks, use the Export or Print option. Exporting is useful if you want to work with the report in another format or share it through your usual process. Printing is useful if you need a paper copy or a print-ready version for your files. Your transaction detail report in QuickBooks Online is now run and ready to review, export, or print.